Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Google Pixel 8a. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. There's two of them at the bottom, then another one is located on top of the screen. To determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. And I can confirm that the sound is coming from all of the speakers, which also confirms that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.